Okay, so here we are again in another video, and today, as well, yesterday not, but today yes, we are gonna start with the Bitcoin chart. So it's looking a little bit better than yesterday. We had this TP this morning here, 122.23, and before recording this video, I was doing some work. I opened the trade, it went to stop loss, then I waited for these highs to be taken, and now I opened another trade. So let's see if we hit the target down here. I'm gonna place break even if I can here. Depends if I'm still awake or not. But well, we're looking good. So today we had another stop loss with our London strategy. Yeah. It's fantastic when you start like this. It usually happens. I don't know if it's Murphy or whatever, but it happens. So I'm gonna show you right now what happened today. We didn't have any trade on the New York strategy, but we did have it on the London strategy. So we took the previous daily low during Asia, leaving a relevant liquidity on H1 here. So I decided to open a trade, a sell trade, in this case. And well, did I do any mistake? I don't think so. It took the Asia high, we broke a structure here, direct entry. Maybe I shouldn't have considered this week and placed the stop loss like here. But well, anyways, it went directly to stop loss. Then we had the reversal. I was like, no, fuck, please. But well, in the end, it went up again. So why a direct entry? I opened a market entry because when the break on the DXY, I think I explained that, but when the break on the DXY is before the break on the Euro USD, I've studied that it's better to enter with a market entry. Rather than open a sell limit in this case on the break obstructor zone. So we had the break at 9:59, and here we have it. We had it at, well, really, yeah, it wasn't a direct entry, but in this case I opened it with a market entry because I placed the limit on the break obstructor, and well, the spread entered anyways, and it went directly to a stop loss. So the two following two stop losses in a row. Here the same break here. Well, in this case, I think we had it later. Yeah, but we were having the break, so with one confirmation for me, it's enough. And yeah, as I said, nothing on the 4-hour chart. Still waiting to see if we have some breaks or some relevant liquidity takes. And well, let's see GU if we had the same trade or not. Probably in this case we didn't have the trade because we didn't have any break of a structure. As you can see here, it wasn't a clean break. I need a strong candle to break it, and we didn't have it, so no trades on the GU. And then we had no breaks anymore, so maybe here, but I don't know if we have the confirmation with the DXY. Then we look at it. Yeah, I don't think so. Oh, maybe here. Maybe I would have had an stop loss on the GU. But well, anyways, let me place this as it was. I'm happy, but because I can't control that. Today we had really nice stop losses. No, well, yeah. Trades, for example, here. Well, this is the strategy that I'm trying to study or understand at least. yeah, but we had some interesting things. I was living here, but maybe here. But of course, I prefer to focus on the other strategy. Gold. Right now, I need to see something else. I'm not convinced right here about what's the direction of gold. I would like to say bullish, but yeah, not sure. And well, I was controlling. Bitcoin is looking really strong and good, in my opinion. Ethereum, I would like to see strong move to the upside. Hype, wow, fantastic hype. This candle, I think sooner than later we will see these levels being reached, this all-time high. XPL recuperating a little bit. And well, ENA here, Solana. I have a trade open in Solana and on Aave, but yeah, still here, not moving. Really, the altcoins are really not moving. And well, XRP, I would love to see a movement to the upside because I have one meme only, and it's this one. Um, and I would like to see it push higher, like at least these levels. So well, I hope you like it, and of course, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.